Unraveling Move in Cleaning, a comprehensive guide. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, move in cleaning. Whether you're relocating to a new place or just curious about this common phrase, this guide is designed to clear all your doubts. So, let's dive in and get every nook and cranny sparkling clean with knowledge. Move-in cleaning refers to a thorough cleaning process undertaken before settling into a new living space. This is not just your regular tidy-up. It's a deep clean aimed at ensuring that every corner of your new home is sanitized, dust-free, and ready for you to move in. Why is it important? Health and hygiene ensures the living space is free from dust, allergens, and bacteria. Fresh Start provides a comfortable and welcoming environment to start your new chapter. Saves time, allows you to focus on unpacking and setting up your home without worrying about cleaning tasks. A typical move-in cleaning includes, but is not limited to, the following tasks. Dusting and washing. All surfaces, including ceilings, walls, and floors, are thoroughly cleaned. Kitchen and bathroom special. Deep cleaning of sinks, toilets, bathtubs, and kitchen appliances. Window treatment. Cleaning of windows, sills, and frames to let in that beautiful natural light. Floor care. Vacuuming and mopping to ensure the floors are spotless and shining. If you decide to undertake the cleaning yourself, here are some tips to make the process efficient and less daunting. Create a checklist. Organize your tasks and ensure every area is covered. Gather supplies. Make sure you have all the necessary cleaning supplies and equipment. Start from the top. Clean from top to bottom to avoid dust settling on areas you've already cleaned. Seek professional help. If the task seems overwhelming, consider hiring professional cleaning services. Move-in cleaning is more than just a scrub and mop. It's about creating a hygienic, welcoming space for your new beginnings. Whether you do it yourself or hire professionals, the aim is to start fresh in a clean, comfortable environment. We hope this video helps you embark on your new journey with ease and confidence. Happy cleaning, and welcome to your new home!